Hi, hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to write some English sentences that we use in our daily routine with Urdu translation. So, let's begin. The first sentence is, will you make coffee? Will you make coffee? Coffee बना दोगी? The second one is, you came so late today. You came so late today. आज बड़ी देर हो गई आने में. Next one is, pick your bag. Pick your bag. Bag pick कर लो. Take your tiffin. Take your tiffin. Tiffin ले लो. I get tired of working. I get tired of working. मैं काम करते करते थक जाता हूँ. It's evening. It is evening. शाम हो गई है. Switch on the fan. Switch on the fan. पंखा चला दो. There is no flour. There is no flour. आटा ख़त्म हो गया है. Heat up the milk. Heat up the milk. दूध गरम कर दो. Too many mosquitoes are there. Too many mosquitoes are there. बहुत मच्छर हो गए हैं. And if you like the video, thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.